indicating its big push for micro, small, and medium enterprise development. The Department of Trade and Industry came up with a strategy to achieve the government's goal of inclusive growth and jobs generation.
Sa subong, ay nakita nilang potential, tama kadamo ang nag-go into food processing. Hindi lang sa kape, sa iba ng mga produkto.
Aimed to improve the competitiveness of micro, small, and medium enterprises by providing them with machinery, equipment, tools, systems, skills, and knowledge under a shared system. The Shared Service Facility Project commenced in 2013.
Nag-abot sa total nga 150 units na handlooms ang na-avail sa hamko nga kami ang co-operator. Na-reach naman ang 2,000 meters a month after pang SSF nga handlooms.
The project is being implemented nationwide with project partners termed as cooperators, which may be any juridical entity such as but not limited to non-government organizations, people's organizations, cooperatives, business associations, local government units, state colleges and universities, technical vocational schools, and other similar government and training institutions.
So we're doing not only for the packaging, but we're also doing the critiquing of their product, no? Most particularly the quality, the shelf life, yung appearance, yung complementing packaging na po pwede sa ila.
The Shared Service Facility Project seeks to address processing and manufacturing gaps or bottlenecks of the industry cluster brought about by any of the following: absence of the needed facility, lack of capacity of an existing facility, cost of services of an existing facility is not affordable, lack of adequate technical and administrative services that will promote and facilitate the growth of MSMEs within the priority industry clusters.
Pagkapag kita nga engineered bamboo, bali nakaagi siya sa processing nga nag-flatten na siya, laminated, and to look like wood.
The proposed SSF project will increase the productivity of the industry cluster in terms of product improvement and quality enhancement and marketability, price competitiveness, conformity to standards.
Convenient kay bala sila, tapos ang cost barato pa, ang pagpakadto di hapos man. Ti amo na nga para sa amon ya dako ginayang abulig sang makinas para sa amon mga kababayenhan.
Proposed SSF project will support micro enterprises within the priority industry clusters. SSF projects aims to improve the products of the One Town, One Product project.
Malaking tulong sa amin ng DTI nung magkaroon ng shared service facility, yung mga mango growers namin ma-avoid ng losing. Kasi minsan 30 to 40% na dudunod siya.
These SSFs support the programs and projects of these cooperators ranging from business consultancy, database development, and investment promotion through the business resource centers, and enhancing the productivity and competitiveness of SMEs in sectors such as loom weaving, wearables and home style, food, garments, coco coir, bamboo furniture, and vermiculture among others through the provision of tools and equipment.
This is now a challenge for DTI to make a difference in the lives of many struggling MSMEs around the region.
That's SSF. Come, share the good news. Share the opportunity. Share the benefits that comes from SSF.